Hey lovelies, so it's Iguana Boss Collective, and today we're going to be talking about the best creator help websites, part 13. So, yeah, I'm excited to be here. You guys might notice a little change in the background. We got our little handy dandy notes here. So, the top 5 websites that help creators grow. So, number 1, Grin. It's a relationship management, analytics, and management content. It helps you manage your content. Creator.co is for collabs and connections. You guys already know about TubeBuddy and you already know about vidIQ, so they're not on here. But LTK is brands and collab opportunities, and Impact.com is a partner collab management group. Upfluence is influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, and connection. So those are like ways that you guys can use those websites to be able to grow your audience and get more sponsorships. What's the best way to find new websites that help creators? Medium or Google. Medium is like a platform that you can write blog posts on and get paid. Hi, Gear. Hi, Gear. I miss you too. I have like a cat that's like a dog. He misses me very much. And then next, we have 5 websites that use AI that help creators. Gary, I love you. Okay, so the 5 websites that use AI to help creators are Leonardo AI, which helps create an AI version of yourself so you can actually make AI videos without showing your face. ChatGPT helps you make prompts and scripts. It even can help you make blog posts and give you original ideas. Notion, it helps with organization and productivity. You can use templates to organize your videos, your content creation schedule, all that stuff. You can also use it to just basically, like as a daily planner, a digital planner. There's so many sources of ways to use it. It's like one of the top programs and it's free. I think this one says Let's Enhance. Yeah, Let's Enhance is an image enhancer and upscaler. And So Draw is an AI generated music, like you can make AI generated music with it. So those are the 5 websites to help creators. You guys can get access to these on my Notion template or on my YouTube masterclass. All 13 parts will be available for you on there. All of the parts will be available once the series is over. So if you're interested in that, you can get a copy and be able to print it out or be able to actually look it over and have it in hand. So if you're interested in that, then you can get those. Also, another thing I wanted to say is that I'm super grateful that you guys are continuing to support me. I know that it was probably really hard to watch me delete like some of your favorite content I had. I over the years have created about 2,000 pieces of content, and there's a lot of reasons for why I let that piece of those content go. It just didn't feel like it resonated with me anymore, and it didn't feel like it was part of me anymore, and I just let it go for many different reasons. So because of that, I just wanted to apologize if any of that content you really loved. I do have a different way of doing things now, and I want to make content that I'm super proud of, and that when it does go viral, it ends up helping my business and my growth and my self-development journey. I want people to find me who can relate to my story and who aren't just finding me because of my body or what I'm wearing or what makeup I'm putting on. So, you know, you create an audience based on sometimes something that no longer is relevant to how you feel. And so when I created a fashion lifestyle channel, I never realized that I would someday get, you know, bored of making that content and sick of doing the same old. And then I realized education has always been something that I really enjoy, and after making several courses and after taking several courses, I just really want to be a teacher that helps, you guys be able to learn and create passive income and start businesses that will make a difference in the world. So if you guys are passionate about any of those things, or you guys are passionate about learning new things, then please subscribe to my channel and make sure to comment what your favorite part of the series has been so far. And I'm really looking forward to teaching you more on YouTube growth and everything that comes along with it. So thanks for being patient also while I've been sick. I've been sick for the last 4 days. I did try to get out 2 videos for you guys. I was pretty damn sick, so I had to like pause the video every time that I sneezed, so you guys don't have to see that. But I'm so glad I'm done with that part of the illness. But yeah, sometimes you just catch a cold right in a different season, and that's what happened to me. You guys wanted an update on my relationship. That was in last part's video, so part 12 if you're interested. If you watched to the end of this video, I'm giving you that. Yeah, there'll be life updates coming. My next series, since you guys are almost halfway done this one, is going to be a Decorate With Me series, where it will take a little longer to make. It'll probably take me a couple months to make, but it'll be decorating the whole apartment with me. And you guys are going to get full access to being able to see everything I purchased, where I get it from, and understanding like what's important to me and what I value, and why I believe in quality over quantity. So I hope you guys have an incredible day, and tomorrow's video will be about, I'll give you a little heads up, it's going to be about ways to start YouTube business with Printify and Shopify. So I'm really looking forward to teaching you about that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.